Imagine an AI that doesn't just follow instructions, but watches, adapts, experiments, and teaches itself, just like a human would. Not an AI that waits for updates. Not one that needs constant retraining. But an AI agent that wakes up tomorrow smarter than it was today, without anyone touching the code. That's not science fiction anymore. That's the direction AI agents are moving right now. And today, we're going to explore AI agents that learn on their own, what makes them fundamentally different from traditional AI, and why this shift could redefine work, creativity, and intelligence itself. Welcome to the future. For years, most AI systems worked in a very predictable way. They were trained on massive datasets, deployed into the real world, and then frozen in time. If something changed, engineers had to step in, retrain the model, and redeploy it. Learning happened in labs, not in the wild. But autonomous learning AI agents break that pattern completely. These agents don't just respond to prompts. They observe their environment, make decisions, evaluate outcomes, and adjust their behavior over time. In simple terms, they learn by doing. Think of the difference between a calculator and a human intern. A calculator gives perfect answers but never improves. An intern starts slow, makes mistakes, figures out patterns, and gradually becomes better at the job. AI agents that learn on their own are much closer to that intern, except they never get tired, never forget, and can scale infinitely. At the heart of this shift is a concept called reinforcement learning. Instead of being told the right answers, an AI agent is given a goal. It takes actions, receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, and then updates its strategy. Over time, it discovers what works and what doesn't. But modern AI agents go even further. They don't just learn from rewards. They build internal memories. They reflect on past failures. Some agents can even break down complex goals into smaller sub-goals, plan ahead, and revise their plans when reality doesn't match expectations. This is where things get really interesting. Imagine an AI agent managing a business process. On day one, it's inefficient. It makes suboptimal decisions. But after weeks of interacting with customers, analyzing outcomes, and testing alternatives, it evolves its own playbook, often discovering strategies no human explicitly programmed. Or imagine an AI research assistant that reads new papers daily, updates its understanding, runs experiments, and changes its hypotheses based on results. Not waiting for a human prompt, just learning continuously. This is why many researchers believe AI agents that learn autonomously are a stepping stone toward artificial general intelligence. Because intelligence isn't just about knowledge. It's about adaptation. The real world is messy, unpredictable, and constantly changing. A truly intelligent system can't rely on static training alone. It has to learn in real time, under uncertainty, with incomplete information, just like we do. And we're already seeing early versions of this. Some AI agents can now play games they've never seen before and figure out the rules on their own. Others can navigate digital environments, use tools, write code, debug their own mistakes, and improve across iterations without direct supervision. What's especially powerful is that these agents don't just get better at one task. They learn how to learn. Each experience improves their ability to adapt to the next challenge. This brings us to a critical question. If AI agents can learn continuously, improve autonomously, and operate across domains, what happens when they start learning faster than humans can keep up? That's where the future gets both exciting and unsettling. Because in the next few years, the most valuable AI systems won't be the ones with the biggest datasets. They'll be the ones that can evolve the fastest, inside real environments, with real consequences. So what does this actually look like in the real world? Self-learning AI agents are no longer confined to research papers or experimental labs. They're quietly being tested in environments where adaptation matters more than raw intelligence. In software development, for example, autonomous coding agents can already write programs, test them, detect failures, and revise their own logic. When something breaks, they don't just report the error, they try to fix it. Over time, these agents learn which solutions work best in different contexts, gradually improving their reliability without being explicitly retrained. In finance, experimental AI agents simulate entire markets, make trading decisions, evaluate outcomes, and refine strategies based on long-term performance rather than short-term gains. What's fascinating is that some of these agents discover patterns humans never programmed or even anticipated. Not because they were told to, but because the environment rewarded those behaviors. Robotics takes this idea even further. A self-learning robot placed in an unfamiliar environment doesn't rely on a predefined map. It learns through interaction. It tries movements, observes failures, recalibrates, and slowly builds an internal understanding of its world. This is how robots are beginning to learn to walk, grasp objects, and navigate complex spaces with minimal human intervention. But as powerful as this sounds, it introduces a serious challenge. When an AI agent learns on its own, its decision-making process becomes harder to predict. The more autonomy we give it, the less we can fully explain why it chooses one action over another. This is known as the alignment problem, making sure an AI's evolving goals stay aligned with human values. A self-learning agent optimizes for what it's rewarded for. If the reward system is flawed, the agent can develop behaviors that technically achieve the goal, but in unintended or harmful ways. Not out of malice, but out of logic. This is why researchers are deeply concerned about control. How do you supervise a system that changes itself? How do you audit decisions made by an agent that rewrote its own strategies thousands of times? And how do you stop an AI from optimizing in directions you didn't foresee? These questions are no longer theoretical. They're becoming practical engineering and ethical problems that companies, governments, and researchers must solve together. Some are working on transparent learning systems that can explain their reasoning. Others are designing safeguard layers, AI agents that monitor other AI agents. Yes, we're already talking about AI supervising AI. Now let's talk about the human impact. As self-learning AI agents become more capable, they won't just replace repetitive tasks. They'll start handling complex decision-making roles, strategy, optimization, research, even creative problem-solving. The value of human work will shift away from execution and toward direction, judgment, and meaning. Humans won't compete with AI on speed or memory. We'll compete on values, intent, and wisdom. The most powerful teams of the future won't be human-only or AI-only. They'll be hybrid systems, humans setting goals and boundaries, AI agents exploring millions of possibilities within them. And this is where the story becomes hopeful. Self-learning AI agents could accelerate scientific discovery, optimize energy systems, personalize education, and solve problems too complex for any single human mind. They can help us understand climate systems, cure diseases, and design technologies that don't yet exist. But only if we remain intentional. Because intelligence without direction is just acceleration. And acceleration without values is dangerous. The future of AI agents that learn on their own isn't about creating digital gods. It's about creating systems that grow responsibly, under human guidance, with clear purpose. We're standing at the edge of a new era, where machines don't just execute intelligence, but develop it. The question is no longer whether AI will learn on its own. The question is whether we're ready to learn alongside it. If you want more deep dives into the future of AI, autonomous agents, and what's coming next, make sure to subscribe. This is just the beginning. Because the age of static AI is ending. And the age of evolving intelligence has just begun.